Hey, what up? Little Spins Fitness. Just wanted to videotape this awesome buy I got from Dick's. A power cage, power rack, whatever you call it. Got this considerably less than anywhere I could find it on eBay. So, awesome deal. Got it same day. I could even have had free delivery, but I wanted to bring it home today. So I packed it up in my car and brought it home. It's one of those deals where you see the ad in the newspaper, you think, oh, it's going to be cheap when you see it in person. But I saw it in person. It was a nice piece of equipment. So I did purchase it, and we'll put it together this evening and see what it looks like. Here's a shot before I take it all out of the box. Sorry if your music's too loud. I don't feel like pausing it and stopping it. So, sorry. I hope you like it if you hear it. So this is what it looks like. Got the boxes open. See how long it takes to put it together. Hopefully it don't take too long. See, it's 8:30, actually 7:30. I haven't changed the time since the time change. So anyway, we'll see how long it takes. Alright, here's a shot of it fully unboxed. Didn't take long to get it all out. Seemed to be packaged pretty well. I'm going to show you the instructions. It's only 10 steps. You can see it. That is it. Just a bunch of nuts and bolts, and we should be going. Check back in a little bit.
You'll get it different size sockets, so you don't want work. crossbar, the nuts loose on it before I put the last piece on. Hopefully we can get this one on. We'll see. All right. Last 2 bolts. Will they go in? Sure the heck hope so. If not, I'm gonna be pissed. Clean the hole. There's one. Final bolt. 2. Oh, almost the easiest one of all. Put in. Very surprising for the amount of money I paid for this. How easy it went together. Alright, all I gotta do is tighten down these last bolts and nuts and be done.
Yada! It's complete. Went together too easily for what we got here. There it is. All complete. We'll be checking out in the morning. I'll be doing my legs, so see how the squatting goes. I feel better, safer doing it. Check it.